On 21st June every year, the world marks the Giraffe Day. And in Wajir, it is an important calendar in the ecosystem as the county celebrates the tallest animal in the world. The tower of reticulated giraffe, whose occupancy in the county is recognized. The Department of Environment, Energy and Natural Resources is in high gear to brand the county as the home of Somali giraffe. Wajir County has made history as the only place in the world where the endangered reticulated giraffe are many.
My name is Ronay Mayo Yusuf. I'm the CEC Environment, Energy and Natural Resources. As you know all, giraffe is a very beautiful animal. It is one of our heritage, and as Wajir County, we want to brand our county as the home of Somali giraffe. The reason being, Wajir is the only county in the whole world where we have plenty of giraffes. Even in the statistics, when it is carried, it is showing that Wajir is having the highest number of giraffes in the world. For that reason, we want to preserve our giraffes.
The department is drafting a rich proposal to reach out to Kenya Wildlife Services, donors and the international community on how to come up with a permanent game reserve in Wajir in order to protect the said giraffe.
My name is Abdurrahman Adanedo, Chief of Natural Resource, Wajir County. Wajir is known for reticulated giraffes, and the number, as KWS said, is reducing. And when just we left like that without any attendance to it, we may see that all the animals will go and we left with nothing. On that, we request KWS maybe we have a game reserve here in Wajir County, because the ecosystem and the trees and the animals which are available now, when left like that, will deteriorate and will be out of hand.
Wajir County is proud of reticulated or Somali giraffe, where in the last census of 2017, the county had a population of 3,600, which is 76% of giraffe population in Kenya.
My name is Kelemi Mbaka. I am the county warden in charge of Wajir station. I work for Kenya Wildlife Service. The last census that we had in 2017, 3,600 individuals of giraffe population were counted, and this constitutes to 76% of the total population of giraffes in Kenya.
Currently, the Department of Environment is cooperating with a team from Wildlife Research and Training Institute to do ecological monitoring and biodiversity information management to count all animals in Kenya. The department is ready to learn something from the reputable institution to get knowledge on wildlife.